Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef pho in Cookingdom game. First, ensure you have all the required ingredients ready from your inventory. Next, thinly slice your beef, as this helps it cook quickly and absorb the delicious broth flavors in the game. Then, start simmering your broth with the appropriate spices and bones to build a rich base. This initial preparation is crucial for a flavorful pho. As your broth simmers in Cookingdom, remember to regularly skim off any impurities that rise to the surface, ensuring a clear and clean base. While the broth continues to develop its deep flavors, cook your rice noodles until they are perfectly al dente, not too soft. Finally, prepare your fresh garnishes, such as cilantro, basil, and lime wedges, to add vibrant freshness to your virtual dish. Now it's time to assemble your delicious beef pho in the game. First, divide the perfectly cooked rice noodles among your serving bowls. Next, carefully arrange the thinly sliced raw beef over the noodles. The hot broth will cook it to perfection. Finally, ladle the steaming, aromatic broth over everything, ensuring the beef is submerged and cooks through. Garnish generously for a high score. To complete your beef pho, add a generous amount of fresh herbs, crisp bean sprouts, and a squeeze of fresh lime juice for brightness. A dash of sriracha or hoisin sauce can also be added to taste. Serve your pho immediately to enjoy its warmth and complex flavors at their peak in Cookingdom. For more great deals and to check out those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, be sure to look in the description below. Enjoy your homemade pho.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.